Product type: auto part. Country of origin: United States. Package dimensions: 10. 921 cm L/10. 16 cm W/0. 508 cm H. Package weight: 0.36 pounds. Allstar Performance crimp-style connectors work great when building custom wire harnesses or making repairs to existing wiring. Tin-plated copper terminals are available in a variety of types and sizes. Non-insulated terminals are designed to be crimped but may also be soldered for a more secure complete connection. Often used with separate heat shrink that is applied after connection is made. Top reviews from the United States. Used for fixing an instant pot. Used to crimp wires for an instant pot that went bad. After crimping the wires, the instant pot powers on. Shipping was slow. It took a while for seller to ship out item.